Hi, this is Randy from Parti Animal Cycle, and I'm just finishing up an install on a 2013 roadglide Ultra, and we're putting in the new Probeam light pipe tail light and from Custom Dynamics, and also the Custom Dynamics amber turn signal rears. So we're going to go ahead and turn them on and show it off a little bit. That's the running light with the light pipe, and then when you hit the brake, you don't lose the light pipes, you gain just the back of it to get it a much brighter brake light. It works out really nice, gives it a nice look to the back of the bike as well. And then LED license plate light as well on the top of that Probeam. Go ahead and kick the brake off. And then we're going to turn the left turn signal on. And that, once again, that's the Custom Dynamics amber rear. And then the right. All right. And once again, with all Custom Dynamics products, the LEDs do have a lifetime warranty on them. So that's really nice as far as if you ever have any issues, they'll take care of you, or will take care of you, I should say, but Custom Dynamics stands behind their product. And thanks for watching.